pickup world just got a lot more crowded. This is the 2026 Chery Rely R08 Pro, and it is officially the most off-road capable truck you've never heard of. It's got a snorkel from the factory, locking diffs on both axles, and a ZF transmission, all for the price of a used Tacoma. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today we're seeing if this Chinese powerhouse has what it takes to actually disrupt the Ford, Ranger, and Toyota Hilux dynasty. Chery didn't cut corners on the hardware. The R08 Pro uses a 2.3-liter turbo diesel that pumps out 420 Newton-meters of torque. But the real star is the ZF. 8-speed automatic, the same gold standard you find in BMWs and Rams. It's paired with a Borg-Warner for WD system, and unlike the base R08, the Pro version gets electronic lockers in both the front and rear as standard equipment. This isn't a soft off-roader, it's a mechanical beast on the outside. The Pro looks significantly more aggressive than the standard R08. It gets a boxy, squared-off grille widened over fenders, and a factory-fitted snorkel on the pillar. With a 230mm ground clearance and impressive 34-degree approach angles, it's ready for the bush. It even features high-end tech, like tank turn and crawl mode. Features usually reserved for luxury SUVs like the Land Cruiser or G-Wagon. This thing is built to get dirty. Inside, you wouldn't know you're in a work truck. The centerpiece is a massive 15.6-inch floating 2K display powered by the Snapdragon 8155 chip. It's smooth, responsive, and includes a 360-degree transparent chassis camera that lets you see exactly where your tires are on a rocky trail. You also get level 2 ADAS, 6 airbags, and premium synthetic leather throughout. It's a smart space that happens to be attached to a ladder frame chassis. The 2026 Chery Rely R08 Pro is proof that you don't need to spend $60,000 to get a pro-grade off-roader. It's got the gears, the lockers, and the tech to win over the world. Would you take a chance on a Chery over a Ranger? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. We'll see you on the next trail.